Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add properties to page Notion. So let's get started. Access Notion. Open the Notion desktop application or connect to the Notion website using your Google or Notion account. Create a new page or open an existing one where you want to add a database. Within the page, create a database by adding a table or selecting the option to create a new database. You can also import an existing database or use templates. Once the database is created, you can start adding properties to it. Click on the New button or the plus icon to add a new property. Choose the type of property you want to add. For example, if you want to add a select property, choose the Select option. Define the options or attributes for the property. For example, if you're adding a select property, define the options that users can choose from. Customize the properties as needed. You can rename them, duplicate them, give them colors, or edit their options. You can also organize properties into groups or sub-items to better structure your database. You can adjust the view options for your database, such as hiding or showing certain properties. Explore different view modes for your database to find the one that best suits your needs. Save changes. Once you've added and customized the properties to your database, make sure to save your changes. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!